simplify expressions involving rational exponents, we can use the same rule we learned for integer exponents. So if we have two exponents on top of the same base, we can use the power rule to multiply these two exponents. So y to the power 1/3 times 2/5 will equal to y to the power 2/15. We can keep it this way, or we can write it back in radical notation. So in radical notation, we can say this is y squared inside the 15th root. Another example, when we multiply two exponential expressions with the same base, we add the exponents. So in this case, we will just add 2/3 and 1/3. Because they have common denominators, simply add the numerators, 3/3, which is 7 to the power 1, which equals 7. The next example, we will divide the coefficients 28 by -7, which will give us -4. So using the quotient rule, we can subtract the exponents. The result will be -4 a to the power 6/8, which can simplify to -4 a to the power 3/4. We can leave it this way, or we can write it in radical notation. The second example, again, we have two exponents on top of x, so we can use the power rule to multiply these two exponents. The 3's will cancel out, and actually we can divide both by 2. So this will simplify to x to the power 1/2, which is simply the square root of x. So in the previous problem, I didn't change the notation to radical notation because it wouldn't look much nicer. But if you want to change it to radical notation, if you want to write it in radical form, you can also say this is -4 4th power of a cubed.